Hi guys, welcome back to the Kneady Homesteader channel, and I promised you guys that when I make fried rice in my Instant Pot, I would bring you back and I would show you. So that's what we're making tonight, is some fried rice in the Instant Pot. Is it like legit fried rice? No, but it tastes just like fried rice that you get at your favorite Chinese restaurant. I kid you not, my kids love this. So in the Instant Pot goes 2 cups of white rice that I washed and rinsed for several minutes in my sink. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add 2 cups of, or 1 pint of stock. Now I'm using onion stock, but you can use chicken stock. You can just use water if you don't even have stock on hand. This is a very inexpensive little meal that will go a long way. So there goes that. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm adding a can of mushrooms to this. I am going to drain it, but you don't have to. So we're going to go ahead and just dump a can of that in there. So there goes our mushrooms. Now what I use from Aldi is, I can lean you back here without dropping you, some steamed mixed vegetables. Now I don't add a whole bag, I add a half a bag. And then what I do is I just roll it up and I save it for next time. So 1 bag will last you 2 meals of this. So go ahead and just dump that in. Now we're going to add some seasoning to it. So I'm going to add about a half a teaspoon of black pepper, about a teaspoon of sea salt, about a teaspoon of granulated onion, about a teaspoon of granulated garlic, and then I'm going to add, if I had to guess, a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. Is that how you say it, honey?
Worcestershire.
Worcestershire sauce, about a tablespoon. I'm also going to add just a drizzle of some soy sauce, probably a teaspoon. And then I add beef base. Now this is going to be your better than bouillon. Is that what it's called? I think. That's what I add to mine. I actually use Tone's beef base, but I use better than bouillon. I actually use whatever I have on hand. Whenever I'm at the store, whatever I can find, that's what I get. So I'm gonna go ahead and add, you're gonna add a good tablespoon of that in there like that. And then I also add some green onion. Now I'm gonna reserve some for garnish, but I'm gonna add some in here. And I'm gonna just gingerly scoot you on over just a little bit so that I can stir this up. Okay. And that's it, you guys. Now we are going to set this on the rice setting. I'll show you. I'll get you off of my jar and show you how I set this. But this takes about 15 minutes. Really easy. Like I said, my kids absolutely love this. And not very expensive to make. Of course, you can tweak it any way you want. If you don't like mushrooms, don't add it. If you don't like green onions, don't add it. Make it your own, okay? So now that I've got that stirred up just a bit, we're gonna go ahead and add, there we go. All right, we're gonna go ahead and add the lid to this. Now, I'm gonna bring you on down here. So we are going to set this to rice, and I set it to the more setting, low pressure. And I know that's probably gonna show up really weird because it's digital. But that's all I do. 15 minutes, make sure that the vent is back and off. And that's it. So I'm going to be pairing this with some pepper chicken that I have in here. If you guys can see that. I know it's kind of, the sun is going down. The sun is going down here in my kitchen, so there we go. So this is pepper chicken. Now I'm going to go ahead and add a bit of cornstarch, like a cornstarch slurry to this, just to thicken this up. But I'm going to be serving this over the fried rice or brown rice, however you want to call it. My kids absolutely love this meal. So, all right, I will see you guys back here in 15 minutes, and I'll show you what that rice looks like. This went off 5 minutes ago, but I was actually uploading another video for you guys. So, all right, so I'm gonna let this vent, and then once this is done venting and it unlocks, I'll bring you guys back and we'll see what it looks like. So that is done, vented in 2 minutes, and let me just put this down there. There we have it. Okay, let me grab a fork and we will mix it. So all you have to do now is just give this a fluff. Ooh, and try not to steam you. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Okay, let's try that again without being so close, Heather. So this is it, as you can see. Looks just like fried rice, right? Without frying anything, without having to use any kind of oil. Like I said, you know, sometimes I throw broccoli in here and water chestnuts. You can just do whatever it is you want to do, but look at that. It's absolutely perfect rice. Let's see if I can show you without steaming you up. All right, can you guys see that? Oh, can you hear the train? Train's coming by. Absolutely perfect rice, perfect consistency, not crunchy, not soaking wet. It's perfect. There we go. Can you see it there without being steamy? There we go. All right, so nice and perfect. So if you guys give this method a try, let me know what you think. Right now I am bringing my pepper chicken up to a boil on the saute, and then I'm gonna go ahead and just add a cornstarch slurry to that and kind of thicken up the juice on that. All right, when this thickens up, I'll bring you guys back and I will show you how I serve this. All right, guys, so this is for Mason and this one is for Mina, and that is just how I serve it. And that's it, super easy, using both of my Instant Pots, which I do quite often. You know, it just really makes heavy homeschool days much easier. Today was a heavy homeschool day for us, so to be able to set everything in an Instant Pot and be done is so easy for me. Today I also started a lot of my seeds and I made another video for you guys. I'll leave that up in the description box so you guys can check that out. So on really busy days, running 2 Instant Pots, it's a game changer. So I don't know if I have a video on the pepper chicken. I couldn't remember if I did pepper steak. I think I did pepper steak before. If I can find that video, I'll link that up above for you guys too. But yeah, that is the Instant Pot fried rice. I hope you guys give it a try. Let me know if you do, and I'll be seeing you guys soon. All right, bye guys.